Hello, get ready for another exciting problem in our trigonometry series. We are dealing with two intriguing expressions, S equals summation from n equals 1 to 5 cos 2n minus 1 pi over 11 and P equals product n equals 1 to 4 cos 2 raised to the power n times pi over 11. And our goal is to find out the relationship between them. We start by expressing S as a series involving cosine terms. By plugging in the values of n, we get s equals cos pi over 11 plus cos 3 pi over 11 and so on up to plus cos 9 pi over 11. This is a series containing cosine of angles forming an AP, and the sum of such a series is given by the formula sin n d over 2 times cos a plus n minus 1 d divided by sin d over 2. Here a equals pi over 11, d equals 2 pi over 11 and n equals 5. By plugging in these values, we'll get the value of s, and now multiplying and dividing by 2 and applying the formula sin 2x, we get s equals sin 10 pi over 11 divided by 2 times sin pi over 11. Now by using sin pi minus x equals sin x, we arrive at s equals 1 over 2. We expand p by plugging in the values of n from 1 to 4. We multiply and divide by 2 sin 2 pi over 15, and why we are doing it, so we can use the formula sin 2x to simplify. And if we do this 3 more times, we'll get p equals sin 2 pi over 15 divided by 2 raised to the power 4 sin 2 pi over 15, which gives us p equals 1 over 16. Now we can check all the options and we'll find out that the correct answer is option 4. And there you have it. If you enjoyed this challenge and found it helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Happy learning!